Alright, so Quad Squad back at it with another one. I'm going to give you a short and sweet tutorial on how to dance in a wheelchair. Yeah. So number one, just follow the beat. Just follow the beat, Number two, don't give a shit what people think. Screw everyone's thoughts. You do you. Which leads me to the third part. You do you, That's how it's done. You just, honestly, people love to see us dance. Like, I just went to Vel for 3 days, whole weekend. And honestly, it is more awkward to not dance than it is to dance. So you go hard. And when you go hard, people go crazy. People love to see me there every year. They call me the legend. They just go crazy whenever they see me there. I mean, I don't even have to do anything. I just do me, Screw what people think. People have too many opinions about too many things. You know what? You can't live your life caring about what people think rather than you just living your life, I mean, it took me a while to get to that point where I just don't care what people think. But, I mean, it's where you got to get to, because, I mean, life's way funner when you're not concerned with other people's thoughts, And, yeah, that's how you dance in a wheelchair, Just, get some music on and start dancing, Anyways, that's what I got. I'll show you some clips of my Veld weekend. Anyways, peace. Alright, so that brings you to the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to this point. So I got one question for you, and answer it down in the comments, or just leave comments in general. What's one event or one music festival you went to and you just danced, you went hard, you enjoyed yourself, and one of your favorite events that you've gone to? And or just leave comments down there saying what you liked about the video. If you got questions about the video, engagement matters. I really appreciate it. I want to hear from you. Hit that like button also. If you want to subscribe. You're going to benefit from my content in the future. And besides that, I love dancing in my wheelchair now. Never thought I'd be one of those people that say that, Honestly, I used to be like, oh, I'm not going to dance in a wheelchair, I'm going to look stupid. Trust me, you don't look stupid. You look confident. You look like you live your life how you want to live your life, and that attracts people to you, Then people love being around you at the dance, they're wanting to bring you all the way up to the front of the concert, and it's what it is, I love it. I've met so many people, great people at those events, and honestly, just, do it. Just live life how you want to live it. And that's what I got for you. That's what I try to show you with this channel. I hope I'm doing that. And leave it down in the comments if you think I am. And yeah, I mean, if you want to check out my website where I sell assistive devices for a reasonable cost, I'll leave the information down in the description. I'll leave you some discounts down there as well. You want a bigger discount, drop it in the comment. I'll give you a bigger discount. And yeah, let me hear from you. And that's it. I'm gonna end it there. Check out one of these videos if you want to see one of these videos. And yeah, anyways, peace.